So welcome back, guys. Well, if you have read the title, you already know what we are trying to achieve. So in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign, what we want to have is not have this sound. Anytime you take a video, just note the sound, and anytime you take a photo. So this is typically shutter sound, and like if I go to the settings, well, not all devices will have like shutter turn off in the settings. I believe some of the Samsung devices have, but not all have. And therefore, let's look at the method where irrespective of the device that you have, you can turn the shutter sound off. And this is possible through a mute mode app. So this is a specific app that you need to install. The beauty of this app is that it works with your native camera. So let this install. The app has installed. Let's open it up. And like any other app, this will show like what all it can do. So it has manual mode and it has a auto mode. So in the automatic mode, you can select the app wherein you want to have this mute mode enabled. And like you guessed it right, we will be using it for the camera app. Now you can see like there are two modes: manual, which will mute all sounds on your device. Well, that is not something that we want today, right? So we'll turn on the auto mode on, and it's saying that the accessibility permissions have to be turned on for this device. So let's go ahead and do that. So it opens up. So like this is okay. Let's look at the installed services. Uh, so we want to give permission to mute mode, allow, and now like let me go ahead and check. I want to turn this on, and we can now add applications. So that is done using this plus button. So you can go ahead and like this is the camera app that I want. So just like I will go down and say yes. So as I scroll down, you can see like this OK sign comes. So click on that OK sign and you will see the camera app comes here. Now what I can do is I can go here and like I will just click on the camera, and you can see there is no sound at all. Let's look whether this is possible with the video, and you can see there is no sound for the video as well. So absolutely perfect. So I hope you noted the steps. If you like today's work, go ahead and click on the subscribe button, click on the bell so that you get notifications of work, and look forward to seeing you for more such tutorials. And please do note that this will work for any Android device. So hopefully that makes sense. Bye.